Hi, good morning. How are you, my children? I hope you are doing fine in this lockdown. Today we are going to study English literature. So, let's start. Children, take out the page number 40. Learn grammar and one and many. See picture 1. Look at this picture of a park and answer the question. A. How many boys are playing in the park? 2 boys, 4 boys, 6 boys. To count first 1, 2, 3, 4. So you take 4. 4 boys. Answer is 4 boys. How many boys are playing in the park? 4 boys. B. How many girls are on the swing? C. 1 girl. Okay? 1 girl on the swing. So, I write 1 girl. Naming words can be one and many. We make some changes to the word to show there is more than one. Okay? Examples, we add es to the word branch to show many. So, branch add es becomes branches. Okay? We add s to the words boy and girl. So, boy add s and girl add s becomes boys and girls. Boy add is boys, girl and add is girls. Okay? So, number 2, add s or es to the following words to show many. Boy, B-O-Y, boy, means 1. S means more than 1. Okay? So, bed, number A, bed bird. See, bed bird, bed. S, add S. So, write here B-E-D-S, beds. Bird, add S. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Fox, add E-S. Write foxes. Giraffe, add S. Right here giraffes. Lion, add S. Right here lions. See, fox, giraffe, lion. Okay. Some words do not follow any of these rules and change together to show more than one. Mouse, mice, child, children, tooth, teeth. Okay? Child, children. Next, some words are always used in the form that shows many. pants, scissors, spectacles. So, number 3, tick the correct naming word that shows more than one. See, more than one. All the A. Follow me. Number 3, A, B, C, D, E. All the mice ran away when the cat came in. So, all the mice, tick mice, ran away when the cat came in. B. The park is full of children's. The park is full of children. Okay? More than one. The giraffe eats leaves from the trees. Leaves from the trees. D. There are many lions in the forest. So, there are many lions. Add S, not ES, only S, in the forest. Okay. E. The shop and many box of chocolate. So, add ES. Okay. So, you tick boxes. The shop had many boxes of chocolate. Next, see, he, she, it, they. Read this sentence. Ria's tooth falls out. Ria misses the tooth. Next, the bird and the snake live in the tree. The bird and the snake are friends. First sentence. Now read this sentence. See, Ria's tooth falls out. See, same. Ria's tooth falls out, but Ria misses the tooth. Ria is she. Why? She is pronoun. So, Ria tooth falls out. She misses it. Tooth. The tooth. I write here it. Okay. Next, the bird and the snake lives in the tree. The birds and the snake are friends. The birds and the snake live in the tree. Same. Stop. But the bird and the snake, right here, they. Not repeat again. So, right here, they are friends. Sia has been used instead of Ria. Okay. Sia has been used instead of Ria. It has been used instead of the tooth, and they has been used instead of the bird and the snake. Same. It first C has been used instead of Ria. See, and the tooth, it has been used instead of the tooth, it, and they, see, they has been used instead of the bird and the snake. So, understood? Okay. We use words like he, she, it and they in place of naming words so that we do not repeat them. Okay? Word. He, she, it, many. It, they. Sorry. Used insist of man of boy, woman of girl. Used instead of he. When you write he, man or boy. When you write she, used she, man, woman or girl. Same animal, bird and non-living things, you used this word, it. More than one person, non-living things, animal or bird. That time you used they. So children, we used words like he, she, it and they in place of naming words so that we do not repeat them. Next, 4. Fill in the blanks with he, she, it or they. A. This is Anna. She is wearing a pink dress. Okay? A, B, C, D, E. Follow me, children. This is Anna. She is wearing a pink dress. C. Right here, C. There are 2 birds in that tree. They are building a nest. They. Peter is riding his bicycle, is wearing a blue helmet. So Peter is riding his bicycle. He is wearing a blue helmet. This is my school bag. It is red in color. It. Mohan and Anil sing well. Okay? They are singing in the music competition. So right here, they. Children, homework. Page 43 and 44. Okay? Page 43 and 44. See, page homework, page 43, 44. See, 43, 44. Do it on your own. So children, practice whatever I taught you. Goodbye.